What'd you say, Caleb? No, what did you say about Uncle Mike just now?
He's so nice.
He's so nice?
Yeah.
Do you love him?
Yeah.
Parker, what do you think? Push the buttons. Oh, Parker. Look at me. Look at me. Parker, look at Mommy. Is that cool? You want to open your other one? Hey, let's open this one.
Did you see that one? I flipped that one.
Thanks. What is it, Parker? What is it? Tractor.
Uncle Mike is super duper nice.
Uncle Mike is super duper nice?
Yeah.
Oh man, I think so too. Cool. Parker, can you say thank you? Say thanks, Uncle Mike. Can you say Mike? Too busy.
Ouch.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Julio.
Julio. Thanks, Uncle Mike.